Picture the scene. A Midwestern American morning. The dawn sky is beautiful. Bluish red with a few stars. He hears the cicadas mingle with the wind and desert sound. On a nearby ranch of corralled horses and pickup trucks, a thirsty dog laps at a water bath. The family's asleep, man. White cotton clothes dry in the cool morning air. He never thought anything could be this good.
Well, she's all you'd ever want. She's the kind I'd like to flaunt and take to dinner. But she always knows her place. She's got style, she's got grace. She's a
Pop!
winner.
Pop, bloody pop, bloody pop, pop,
She's a
pop.
lady. Oh, she's a lady.
Sir Lewis,
Talking
it's
about
me, Roger.
a lady.
No, Pop, he went to America.
But you owe me 6 weeks, Mrs. Lewis.
Clem Lewis. Huh. He came in here one night and said, I'm off. Or something like that. I'm going to America, he said. Tonight. Well, I just looked at him dumb. Brando's dead, I said. I just washed him to death. He got into the washing machine when I wasn't looking. It was an accident.
Brando?
The cat, that was Clem's idea. He thought the world of Marlon Brando. He loved that cat. You did it on purpose, he said. You knew I liked him. Well, that's that, he said. No, I'm definitely going. I put him over there in the Tesco bag. I said, he's still wet. Clem just turned and went. What about the kids? I said. Keep them away from the washing machine, he said. And he shut the door behind him.
Haven't seen him for 15 years.
I buried the cat on the mountain behind the house, next to Billy the Budgie. Well, have to make do, don't you?
It's friends from my mind. I'm just good.